Drinking water is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. But did you know that there are proper ways to drink water to maximize its benefits? In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks to make your water drinking experience even better. Tip number 1. Add some flavor to your water. If you find plain water boring, add some fresh fruit or herbs for a refreshing twist. Lemon slices or cucumber slices are popular choices, but you can experiment with your own combinations. Tip number 2. Sip your water slowly. Drinking water too quickly can cause bloating and discomfort. Instead, take small sips and allow the water to flow naturally down your throat. Tip number 3. Use a reusable water bottle. Not only does it reduce waste, but it's also more convenient to carry around with you. Plus, it makes it easier to keep track of how much water you're drinking throughout the day. Tip number 4. Drink water before and after meals. Drinking water before a meal can help you eat less, while drinking water after a meal helps with digestion. Plus, it keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Tip number 5. Drink water during a workout. Staying hydrated during exercise is important for your performance and recovery. Make sure to bring a water bottle with you and take sips regularly. Thanks for watching. Remember, drinking water is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Try out these tips and tricks to make your water drinking experience even better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.